Hello! In this video, I'll be giving you a quick guide on how you can make an HSBC credit card payment online so you can pay bills quickly and securely. First, you will have to log into your HSBC online banking or the HSBC mobile app. Next, you will just have to select cards and choose your credit card account or go to payments and transfers and pick pay credit card, and after that, you will just have to enter the amount that you would want to pay and select the funding account, your checking or savings. Then, choose the payment date and frequency if you would want to set up recurring payments. Finally, confirm and submit the payment and save or screenshot the confirmation for records. Quick tip: set up autopay for at least the minimum payment to avoid late fees. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.